In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync and find contacts on LinkedIn. If you've ever wondered how to quickly connect with people you already know, syncing contacts is the easiest way to surface familiar names and manage invitations in one place. We'll walk through where to turn syncing on, how to review your sources, and where to find and manage connection requests so you stay in control of your network. Start on your LinkedIn home feed after signing in. From here, look to the top navigation bar and open your profile menu by selecting the Me icon. This is where LinkedIn keeps all your account controls, including the settings we need. Choose Settings and Privacy to open your account's control center. Once you're in, select Account Preferences. This section focuses on how your account behaves and connects with other services. Scroll until you see syncing options. Open that, then select Sync Contacts. This is the feature that lets LinkedIn discover people you might know by checking approved sources like your email address book or your phone contacts. Next, choose Manage Synced Sources. Here you can connect or disconnect the places LinkedIn uses to find your contacts. Take a moment to review what's currently linked. If you enable a source, LinkedIn will import contact details such as names and email addresses where available to suggest potential connections. If you change your mind later, you can come back here to pause syncing or remove a source, and LinkedIn will stop using new data from that account. It's also a good idea to read the brief descriptions shown on this page so you understand how your information is being used. With your sources set the way you want, return to LinkedIn and open My Network from the top navigation. This is your hub for growing and maintaining your connections. Select Manage to see a more detailed view of your network activity and recommendations based on the contacts you just synced. This page can surface coworkers, classmates, and people from your address books, making it easier to reconnect. Finally, open Manage Invitations. This is where you'll review pending requests you've received and any you've sent. Take a moment to accept the ones you recognize and feel free to withdraw requests that are no longer relevant. Keeping this list tidy helps LinkedIn make better suggestions over time, and it ensures your outreach stays focused and professional. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more LinkedIn tips and tutorials.